Vivo mobile. Vivo all model pattern and password unlock. Fingerprint pattern password remove all Vivo. First power off, then volume up and power key with press. Volume up and power key. Press few seconds. Then show recovery mode. Select recovery mode. Vivo logo white. White. Clear data. Clear all data. Okay. Delete all using data. Devices all using data deleted. Return or back. Back and restart. Click restart or wait few minutes. All Vivo pattern password unlock. Same method and new method. Vivo phone pattern and password unlock. Remove pattern, password, fingerprint. All Vivo without any computer and laptop or very easy. Vivo phone is lock. All Android phone work this method or trying. Any phone how or volume up and volume down. Press power key. This phone volume up, some phone volume down and power key. Vivo all phone volume up. Alt model selected volume down and try power key. ओके दोस्तों, Vivo फोन लॉक कैसे टुडे मैं आपके डॉक्टर हूँ. Vivo फोन का लॉक Vivo मोबाइल का लॉक कैसे टुडे दिस मेथड. Vivo मोबाइल नेक्स्ट selected और मेथड. दोस्तों ये नेक्स्ट करता है. नेक्स्ट स्किप है. Selected country. Don't connected any Wi-Fi or data. Cellular data not connected. और cellular data connected होता और Gmail आपका सही है. So data off and next करते. तो फ्रेंड्स all screen lock. Vivo screen lock remove very easy. Vivo screen lock remove. Hard reset. This method is hard reset. Easy bypass locking. any smartphone lock bypass. Work this method. Okay, try.